Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely different. Enough talk. I know you are the one who changed the garage code. And me, Uncle. So, what's the garage code? Trash. Right. Thanks. Oh no! Carl! Somebody's stealing the time machine! Not me, Carl. Some guy in a bowler hat. Ah, great. They're gonna find some way to blame me for this. Right. And do you want to know what else isn't funny? Giant ant stole the time machine. You're all wound up. Let's just calm down, take a breather, and watch the sunset. I'm on it.
Sir. Certainly, gentlemen. It's very simple, if you're a genius like me. Now, here I have liquid A, and here I have liquid B. They're a compound of a lot of scientific jazz. Now, nothing happens until I mix the two. First, liquid A, then liquid B. Next, shake well. And now, from the A and B, I get the magic formula, no can see. One swallow of no can see, and you become invisible. There is one great danger, gentlemen. If formula... Why, certainly. Heavens! No can see. I no can see. No can see. The formula's gone. Obviously stolen by some villainous, unscrupulous criminal. No, but I'm working on it. It should be ready in about 10 years.
Except that I was taking a nap in the dryer when this lady opened it for her laundry. You should have heard the scream when she saw me. Gee, baby, you and I could make beautiful music together. Let me take you away from all this madness. Come on, why fight it? Slip me a kiss. Oh, boy, she's weakening. Last time she hit me with her fist.
Yeah, you see, I was helping this little guy change his tire, when all of a sudden it rolled down the hill, and...
Thank you, TC. And fellow members of the bankruptcy, we tried everything possible to make an honest dollar. Raffles, bazaars, block parties, and recently the George Washington birthday ball. Yeah, TC. Why don't we just bring in new people? There's nothing historic in this neighborhood. Just beat up building. Get your maps. Get your fresh buried treasure maps. What about me? What about me, T? I ain't sold one pirate map. I'll try the next block. If that bombs, I'll go back and look for the treasure myself. Here you are. Genuine pirate treasure maps. Get them while they're fresh. Oh, boy, customers. Get your maps here. Get your buried treasure maps. Pirate maps. They show you where Captain Kidd's treasure is, right here in New York City. According to the map, I take 8 paces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 paces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Warning, this building coming down. Wonder if the map says anything about that. No, it just has to go straight ahead. I found it! I found it! The buried treasure! We're rich! Rich! Look! It's Captain Kidd's treasure!
Of course, my dear. Wait till you taste it. Excellent vintage. Sacre Bleu, 1920. Why, yes, that's what we're having. Is there something wrong? Of course, my dear. Wait till you taste it. Excellent vintage. Sacre Bleu, 1920. Why, yes, that's what we're having. Is there something wrong?
We'd love some. 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 We'd love some.
Folks, the Big Iced Tea taste test is history, and the clear winner is Louisiana. In Atlanta, it's Louisiana over Lipton, 65-30. In Birmingham, 67% prefer the great taste of Louisiana. Louisiana's secret? Louisiana just tastes a whole lot better. See how satisfying iced tea can taste. Final tally, Louisiana preferred 2-1. It's the clear winner. I like a day that's not cloudy and a tea that's not cloudy. That's why I like Louisiane. Louisiane's got special tea leaves that keep it clear as a bell all day. Now, if you're drinking Lipton or Tetley, look at the box. It tells you what to do when it turns cloudy. Louisiane says nothing about cloudy. 'Cause it doesn't get cloudy. Louisiane, the one tea that's always clear as a bell.